Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I am putting up my Halloween decorations, and on my buffet I am setting up my witch's laboratory, and in that I've got my spell book that I made last year from a video that Crafty Girl did a couple years ago. I will post a link to her video in the description below, but I'm just setting up various different little things that correspond with that. Got some skulls and a little jar that I put together. I saw that on Megan Navarro's channel, and I thought that was a really cute idea to do. And my sister last year gave me a really cute little witch, and she told me she thought that I could put that to use more so than her, so I am putting it out this year. I think she is absolutely adorable, and she's just the right size for the little green cauldron that I've got set up with that as well. So I'm setting a little potion bottle out. That was something that was purchased at the Dollar Tree this year. I had some cheaper potion bottles that I had used in the past, but I didn't really care for them too much, so I am glad that I did pick up that. I'm just setting some little tombstones out to give it a little bit of added touch, and some spiders as well. And then this is how everything turned out. I'm very pleased with this. I actually think I like it better this year than I did from the one that I set up from last year. Even though it's very similar, I did add a few extra little things that I didn't do before. Next, I'm going to set up my haunted houses that I love so much. I used to put these on the buffet before I decided to decorate the witch's laboratory. And so last year I had this really pretty black table runner, and I just thought it would be perfect to set these little haunted houses up on that. And these are some of my favorite things that I like to set up for Halloween. I have had this little tree and all the little people that I'm setting around it for years, probably before I got married. And the little house on the right, my sister got me from Kohl's one year, and the one on the left is a Bath and Body Works house that I have had for quite a few years. And this little guy, I always put him out in front of the little tin house, and just because he has a little bag and kind of looks like he's trick-or-treating or something. The things that I'm adding now, I'm just setting out some little decorative pillows, just kind of giving little touches to things to kind of brighten up my living room. And I really love this little ghost pillow. Now I'm putting out a little spider basket to put my remote controls in, and then setting out a flower arrangement. And here I am putting some spiders on my lampshade, and they I don't have them on with any kind of adhesive, they just kind of stick. But if they fall off, I just pick them up and put them back on. And another favorite place for me to decorate is my mantle. I really didn't want to take down some of my fall decorations this year because I really enjoyed having them out. And I don't feel like I had them out very long. So I did decide that I was going to keep some of the favorite items that I had and incorporate them in with my Halloween. So I did keep my pumpkin flower arrangement that I had made, and a few other things you'll see later on in the video. But I really like the way the mantle turned out. I think it's really cute. I was able to add some of the newer things that I bought this year, along with some of the things that I have already had packed away. A lot of items that I decorate with did come from the Dollar Tree, but if you see anything in this video that you want to know where I got that I did not state, just let me know in the comments and I'll answer you as to where I picked those up. This little sign that I'm setting out, I had actually put that together last year, and everything that I use except for the chalk paint is from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I did get to use my Beware sign from the Dollar Tree. Still had several signs left over that I purchased this year that I had not found a place for yet. But I may keep those and use them next time, or later on maybe I'll find a spot for them. But Madeline's helping me decorate. You know, she wanted to help me put some things out. So she's setting this up above our TV. And the owl that she's setting up, I had got that from Cracker Barrel many years ago. And I like to set him out. It kind of looks like he's keeping watch over everybody. Them little characters here that she's putting out, I actually bought those at the Dollar Tree about 3 or 4 years ago, and they are absolutely adorable. I had purchased some fairy lights from the Dollar Tree this year, and I thought it would be really pretty to put them into the fall leaves that I had behind my characters, and I think they just added the perfect touch to that. And then I just decided that I was going to use my coffee table to put the rest of the fall decor that I did not want to put away.